everyone! So for today's video, i-review natin tong application nito ni Cash Dream Play and Earn Rewards. So as you can see, meron na siya ditong 4.5 ratings and reviews. And meron na siyang 1 million plus downloads. So as you can see dito, pwede tayo makapag-earn via playing the game. So yung payout dito is only for PayPal only. So you can earn via invite friends. Ayan. So now, na-download na natin yung application na ito. So proceed tayo how to play and how to earn for this application. So as you can see, meron siya dito data collection consent. Ayan, Cash Dream. So basahin nyo lang po yan. And then kung naintindihan nyo man yung mga privacy and policy dito, so i-accept or reject na lang ninyo. So as you can see, kasi nga i-review natin to, so i-accept natin. So ayan, makikita natin processing data pa lang. So wait na lang natin. So as you can see, meron siya dito, play games, earn money. So ayan, kung meron kayong invitation code, so pwede nyo yung ilagay. So dahil wala man ako invitation code dito, so start ko na lang to siya directly. So great, you get 220 diamonds. So i-click natin yung okay. Ayan. So dito, check natin yung payout history. So dito, kailangan natin makapag-earn ng 300 coins o diamond. Equivalent siya ng 0.01 USD. And 1,450 for 0.05 USD. 5,700 diamond, 0.20. So, from 0.01, yung minimum and the maximum dito is $15, which is equivalent siya ng 360,000 diamond. So, as you can see dito, wala pa akong na-payout. So, dito din makikita natin yung invitation. So, as you can see, meron siya dito nakalagay invite friends and earn up to 30% their diamonds. Ayan. When you invite your friend and nag-register yung friend niyo dito, so magkakaroon ka ng 15% diamond galing doon sa friend na nag-refer. So, si friend naman na may na-refer din na friend, which is nakapag-earn ka din dito ng 10%. So now, yung friend mo na naka-refer yung friend niya and friend niya nakapag-refer ng ulit, so meron kang 5% diamond. So ganun lang siya, para siyang pyramiding dito. Invite more friends to earn more money. So let's start about this application. So check natin yung account. Ayan. So how do we earn? So i-click natin tong earn money. So ayan. Before we can earn, so i-click lang natin tong allow. So, makikita natin dito play game. So, ayan, agree and continue lang. Allow, tracking and unlock rewards. Ayan, so i-on lang natin. So, I am aware to track your device and click OK. So, cancel na lang natin. Ayan. Let's go back to our, ayan, so not now. So, meron siya ditong promotion, more coins, earn. Ayan, so let's play. Before we can earn, so kailangan natin dito mag-download ng mga application. Ayan, depende na rin yan sa inyo kung ano application yung gusto nyong i-download to earn a diamond. So, before we can play that, so kailangan natin i-download yung application na sinasabi niya so we can earn a coins or a diamond na para tayo ay makapag-withdraw. While waiting tayo na ma-download yung application, so balik tayo dito sa application niya. Ayan. So, dito, before we can earn, so dito, habang dina-download natin yung Idlebank Tycoon, so meron siya dito, we're checking if the games is installed, then can take up to 10 minutes. Ayan. So, kailangan natin siyang i-open ng 10 minutes play the games and to earn a diamond na pwede nating maka-convert into real money. Ayan, so wala pa, i-open pa lang natin yung application, so medyo mabagal siya mag-download, so wait na lang natin na ma-download. So, ayan, tap to launch and boost and speed. Ayan, so add game na. So, i-open natin yung application para tayo ay makapag-earn. Pero why siya ganyan? So, ayan, naka-install tayo dito ng dalawang application. So, meron siya dito nakalagay na 89 days left to complete the task and earn coins. So, ayan, 89 days daw bago natin siya ma-complete and earning that coins. So, ayan, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video for today. So, i-update ko kayo. Ayan, so, to it works. So, update ko na lang kayo kung makapag-withdraw ako sa application na ito. Hanggang dito na lang po for now. Ayan, andito na tayo ngayon at pwede na tayong makapag-withdraw dito sa application na to, which is, so, check natin, meron tayo ditong 473 diamond balance. So, as you can see, wala pa akong na-withdraw dito. So, first time ko po itong mag-withdraw sa application na to. So, i-check natin kung legit ba talaga siya. So, first, yung 0.01, so pwede na nating i-withdraw kasi meron naman na tayo dito. And, yung maximum dito is $15, which is kailangan natin mag-ipon ng 360,000 diamond. So, as of now, pwede naman na tayo mag-withdraw dito ng 0.01 USD. So, ayan, ilalagay lamang po natin dito ang ating PayPal email account. Ayan, nakapaglagay na tayo dito ng ating PayPal Gmail account. So, kaya submit na lang po natin yan. So, processing has been request. So, ayan siya. So, wait na lang natin na makapag-withdraw tayo dito at i-update ko po kayo kung may ma-receive man ako dito sa application na ito. So, as of now, hanggang dito na lang po muna ang ating video. Thank you for watching and abangan nyo, idudugtong ko dito kung marireceive ko ba yung na-payout ko dito or hindi. Bye! Good day everyone. So for today's video, it's Wednesday, March 4. So yesterday, nag-withdraw po dito tayo sa application na ito, which is may na-receive na po tayo ditong message galing sa pinag-withdrawhan natin yesterday. So ayan. So ito yung na-receive natin dito sa you've received 0.01. So payout natin galing doon sa Cash Dream application. So, ayan, meron na tayong balance na 1.12. So, it's the same lang din pala to kay Cash Dream, si Cash Land. Ayan. So, puntahan natin si Cash Dream. So, nakapag-withdraw tayo dito yesterday, which is legit po siya kasi na-receive na po natin yung ating na-payout. So, ayan, I cannot see, I cannot open it. Why? So, ito po yung na-receive natin. Ito yung email. Ayan, 0.01 USD. Note from App Tower Limited. Ayan, from Cash Dream application. So, yun siya. Legit po ang application na ito na si Cash Dream. Para po sa gustong mag-download at maglaro at kumita dito sa application na ito, ilalagay ko na lang din po sa description box yung link para kayo ay makapag-start na rin po makapag-earn dito sa application na ito. So, ayan, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. God bless. And see you next time on my next vlog.